Welcome to Rosekids! Happy Halloween! Halloween is coming soon. So today we are going to make Halloween basket. Using the Halloween basket, we can say trick or treat, and we can get a lot of treats. Okay, let's make Halloween basket together. What do we need today? We need colored paper, scissors, double-sided tape, and paper cup or plastic cup, whatever you have. Wow, it's very simple and easy. Let's start! First, we are going to put the double-sided tape on the bottom of the paper cup and inside the paper cup too. For the pumpkin basket, I cut the orange colored paper like this. And it's very easy part. We are going to peel off the tape. Peel it off. And bottom of the paper cup too. Peel off. Ooh, it's sticky. Okay, this time I'm going to use this long colored paper. I will put it on bottom side. Ooh. And make curve like this. And we're going to put it again around this paper cup. Wow, look! Ooh. And make curves. Wow, look! Uh-oh. But it doesn't look like a pumpkin. We are going to try again, same as before. Ta-da! Wow! Look! Does it look like a pumpkin? Yes, it looks like a pumpkin, but where are the eyes and mouth? You know, the jack-o'-lantern has scary eyes and mouth, right? Let's make eyes and mouth. Right, it looks like a pumpkin basket, but how about a handle? Let's make a handle. Wow, look, this is my Halloween basket. Ooh. We are going to bring this Halloween basket and we can say trick or treat. Say that again.